In this video, we'll show you how to edit the header of a proposal. That is where you can edit the title, publish or unpublish the proposal to a client portal, lock it, and do other things. So first we want to go to the proposal. So on this project, we're going to click on the proposals link. And here we see a list of the proposals that are available. Click on the proposal number to open up the proposal itself. And here you can see at the top we have the header information, and to edit that information, go up to Edit Add and just click Edit Header. And here we can change the title of the proposal. We can select the status for it. We can change the status. We can update the status list. If we want to change our workflow, we can edit that right there. We can also check to lock this proposal. And now if you lock the proposal, that means that users are not going to be able to do things to alter that proposal until they unlock it. And you can put a note in there as well. And down here below, we can change the tax rate if we need to. We can calculate the deposit different ways. Anything you want to change, you can change right here for the header. Just click Save and Close. And that's going to update this upper part right here, which is how you get your calculations for all the items that are down on this proposal.